If you have a 100% VA disability rating, you can legally wipe out tens of thousands of dollars in federal student loans today with one simple and effective document. To get this done today, you only need two things in front of you: your physical VA decision letter and active login credentials for studentaid.gov. The biggest misconception blocking veterans from this relief is the P&T myth. You do not need a permanent and total rating to qualify. If you have a 100% scheduler rating, or if you receive total disability based on individual unemployability, the Department of Education still considers you eligible. Getting rid of this massive monthly payment is the first step. Redirecting that freed up cash flow into the right investment accounts allows you to start building wealth immediately. Step 1 is auditing the debt you currently hold to see exactly what qualifies for the federal chopping block. This diagram shows exactly what the Department of Education covers: direct, FFEL, Perkins, and Parent Plus loans. However, private student loans from commercial banks fall into the rejected column. Those are strictly ineligible and won't be forgiven. As you review your status, keep in mind that TDIU stands for Total Disability Based on Individual Unemployability. The Department of Education views this status as completely equal to a 100% rating for the purposes of this discharge. Go ahead and log into your specific loan servicer portal right now. Check your account dashboard and identify your specific loan types. Categorizing your loans correctly before you apply ensures your paperwork goes through smoothly and prevents frustrating rejections down the line. For many veterans, the actual discharge happens automatically. The Department of Education and the VA run a periodic data match. If you're flagged in their system, you will receive a letter giving you 60 days to opt out before the loans cancel themselves. But if the system misses you, or you simply do not want to wait for the mail, you can execute a manual application immediately. Head over to studentaid.gov and navigate to the Total and Permanent Disability Discharge section. You will see a prompt to upload your VA decision letter as your official proof of eligibility. Many veterans hesitate here because they fear triggering a new medical reevaluation. Do not worry. Your existing VA letter is your entire evidence package. You do not need to sit for another doctor's exam. When the discharge is processed, the government will refund any loan payments you made after the effective date of your VA disability determination. Submitting this single document stops your future payments and actively recovers the capital you've already paid out. Once the debt is clear, you need to protect yourself from the fallout. Let's start with taxes. As of 2026, federal student loan discharges due to disability are completely tax-free at the federal level. You must, however, audit your local state tax laws. A few states still treat canceled debt as taxable income, and you need to prepare for that liability if it applies to you. Next is your credit score. Look at this mock report. Sometimes credit bureaus inaccurately label a discharged loan as assigned to government instead of showing the correct $0 balance. Pull your 3 major credit reports. If you spot that specific error, dispute it immediately with your letter. You also no longer have to worry about income caps. The Department of Education has officially eliminated the old 3-year post-discharge income monitoring period. Actively policing your state tax codes and credit reports guarantees your wiped debt does not drag down your credit score when you go to buy a house or a car later. Now you have a clean slate and hundreds of dollars a month in newly freed up cash flow. The next step is strategically investing it. For veterans in their peak earning years, this comes down to a core investment choice: a Roth 401k or a Roth IRA. In 2026, Roth IRA contributions cap at $7,500, while a Roth 401k allows $24,500. High earners over $168,000 are blocked from Roth IRAs, but 401ks have no limit. However, IRAs offer flexible, penalty-free withdrawals, whereas 401ks lock funds until retirement. If your employer offers a match, prioritize the Roth 401k to capture that free money. If you value flexibility and full control over your investments, open a Roth IRA. Redirecting what was once a monthly debt payment into a tax-advantaged account is how you start growing your net worth instead of the bank's. By following these steps, you have cleared your federal debt, protected your credit, and identified the right accounts to house your newly freed up cash. You earned these benefits. If this step-by-step guide helped you, hit the share button and send this directly to another disabled veteran right now. Using the disability benefits you earned gives you the resources to build a stable financial foundation.